1. Purchase the keypad repair kit, which is well worth the money, especially if the remote is a really expensive remote control, or no longer manufactured. The keypad repair kit usually costs in the $20 to $30 range. This kit comes with a solution in it that is needed to coat the keypad with. 2. Remove any batteries out of your remote control. 3. Check over the remote control and remove any screws keeping the remote together. Make sure you check in the battery department and under any stickers or sliding covers. 4. Open the remote control by using a dull knife or something similar. You may have to make your way into the crack on the side edge of the remote, while using your hands to pop it open. 5. Once you have it open, make a note of any switches or loose pieces so you will know where they go when you put the remote back together. You can take a digital photograph of the open remote at this point so you have a picture to refer back to later when assembling the remote. 6. Clean the circuit board and keypad to remove any dirt and oil. Check, after cleaning, if the remote is working again. Dirt could be the only problem. An old toothbrush and some 409 works well to clean the keypad and case. The best cleaning solution for the circuit board is some rubbing alcohol. Just rub the circuit board down with a cotton ball and let everything dry out. 7. Dip a cotton swab, provided with keypad repair kit, in some alcohol or acetone. Acetone is provided with keypad repair kit, and clean all the black contacts that meets with the circuit board on the back side of the rubber keypad. 8. Apply the conductive paint, included with keypad repair kit, to the keypad's contacts. The best way to do this is with a paper match. Included with keypad repair kit, after dipping the match in the paint, apply a thin coat to each of the rubber contacts on the back side of the rubber keypad. 9. Let the remote dry for a few hours. 24 hours dry time is best. 10. Carefully place the remote back together, remembering to put all sliding bars and loose objects back where they came from. 11. Place batteries back in and you have a remote that works like new again. 12. If it doesn't work, perhaps it's best to consider buying a new one and dumping this one into the recycle bin.